Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Emma again. Now, proceeding with our previous sample we had started. We had talked about introduction. We introduced how the things we should need. Next, we designed the interface, and now we're going to design the general information page. The information page, how does it look like? We said we are referring to our system here. We have interface, general information. So how do we use general information? For example, when you're on the main page like this, main menu, when you click on general information, this is the general information button. It will bring you on this button here, you see, like this one. So we need to design this page first. These are like our tables. If you are using SQL, these are like our tables. Okay, these are like our tables. So here we need to design this. How do we start? First, we need to first know how many tables inside do we have. We have table in the table. In fact, we call it nested tables. Nested tables in the development, we say it like that, nested tables. So here we have a main frame, which is a table. Then here we get this set grading. We have class information. We have remark table. We have teacher initials and subjects. So we need to learn how to set up this, but these ones, it's up to you how you want them to look like. So we are saying how many subjects of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need first to look at the maximum subjects in primary which are taught maximally on general maximum subject. I think it has something like 7. So they give space for the users to set their subject, not limiting them that you should use this. We just give them space so that they can put the years which they want. So 7, 8. You see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in our table here, okay, this is like the header for subjects. I will write it. I say subjects. So here I can write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 9. I leave it like that. I make it a full table, full border like this. Okay, full border. This is for teacher. What we call initials. Then here I put subjects name. Subjects name. Okay. This one could be like teacher initials. Teacher initials. Okay. Teacher initials. I make sure I sign them in the middle. Okay. Now down here I add my table, which says number of exam sets. Number of exam sets. Okay, I leave this one open like this. Okay, number of exam sets. So this is what I want to make. Okay, so this part here I will leave it for just take a logo. Just take a logo. I can even copy it from here. I paste it here. Just copy. But I will show you a better way to make sure your system is too dynamic and a lot of security. I will show you that one later. At the end of it, when you start putting codes, I'll show you. So this is the table which we want to get. Okay, this is the what you want to get. So up here, I'll put the school name. I'll put the school name here. I'll put the school name. I can even add one row and insert a row here. So here, I put my school name. I merge. When I merge, I put a little bit down. School name, just put equal signs and put school name. I'm referring school name. The school name will come. I can even hold it. Okay, and make sure it is the font I want. I increase the size, but I already designed it. It's up to you how you want your design to look like. Okay, this one is referred somewhere, school name. I'll show you how to do that. So when I come here, I can put the information. Just put part of it here. I match. I just put general information. General information. I also put the font I want. I can merge the whole of it also. I make it center. Merge, make it center. The information table. This is a remark table. Okay. You can select all so that you give them same font size, same font size. So I can select this just in case, make them bold. Okay, just like that. So I highlight all. Maybe this one I make a background color to look maybe something new. That's short. I also put borders, all borders. I also put this one the same color. I make it all borders. I also this one the same color, but the color is up to you how you want to make it look like. Okay, subjects. I also make borders. Then these ones I choose the color which is quite like this. Okay, so down here for subjects exam sets, I make it some the other color which is quite shouting. Then okay, so this is our table now. This is our table. So I'll come here, highlight all of them. Now here we are defining the names. Now we want to name these tables so that we can easily record them somewhere. So I come here and say, how do I rename? Why are we renaming these tables? Why are we renaming them? Why are we renaming them? So that we can easily trace the table which you want. You can easily trace the table which you want instead of referencing them. So if you look at our part here, you see this. So when I click on this table, when I have this table like this, you see it gives general table. Okay. Then when I highlight this one just gives L5. We don't need even to do what? To rename that one. So when I come on this, when I click on this one like this, you will see initials. So when I click on this one here, it says subjects. Okay. So when I highlight all this, it says RM remarks table. So you should look at that also. What I will do, I will show you how to do that. So I said the subject initials, subject's name. So I'll highlight all this. I'll highlight all this like this. So you need to first highlight all this. I'm showing you. Highlight all these tables. Now come on review. No, come on formulas. I'm saying highlight all this. Come on formulas. Okay, say name manage, or you can right click. After anything you can right click and say define name. Then I say general grade, or you can say grading table, grading table, like that. Just a grading table. Now this one will be referring. It means when you reach somewhere and then you want to recall this, especially when you're using VLOOK or XLOOKUP, you can just, because even when you look on a table itself, when you call this table itself, to recall all this referring to all this. So I say save. Now I come here, I highlight all this. Then again I say rename table. I can say name table. This one I can say remarks, rm table, remarks table, remarks. I put s, remarks table. Okay, set that one over there. Then it close. And when I come here, I say initials. As I said, you can again right click, then put initials. Initials. Okay. Again, I select this one here. I say subjects. Okay. Subjects. Subjects. Okay. When you're done with that one, then here you can even say exam set. Exam set. Exam set. Okay. You're done. So when you're done, this one is set like that. Okay. Here you can highlight your tables and be like this kind. Could be like my background color. Let me set something like, like this. Then this to be something like this. This one here be something like any color like this. Then this one here to be something of any color which you feel like is good for you. So this is it. This is it. So this one you can even give it another color if you like. You want background color. But I think you can just give the text color only. The text color only. Just close it a bit. Okay. The information can also increase it a bit. Okay. What you don't use, just edit that. Can just leave it aside. Okay. So this is our general information table. Okay. So here you can start setting already. It is open. And this is maybe from 0 up to 39. Up to 39. Up to 39. Maybe 40. And these ones, I can say this one to align center. Center. The same thing. Center. The same thing. Center. Okay. So here I will be saying like 0 to 39. Which grade do I want to give? This is the lower value. This is the lower value, and this is the upper value. So here it is the number which somebody will score. This is 9, F9. Okay. And here from 40 to 45. It's up to the grading you want. So I'm going to be like 8. 40. This one will be something like 44. 44. Then 45. 45 to 49. So it could be like something like 7. This one could be something like 50, 54, 6, then 55, 59, 5. Then from 60, the grading is up to you. From 60, 69. This is 4. This one is from 70 to 79. This is like 3. 80 to 94. This is a 2. This is 95 to 100. So do you see how you see it? So you're done. Now here, this could be, let's see what they had put here. Here we had put all this class formation. I can just copy, or you can even let us not copy. We are putting class teacher, class. So this is what we have: class, teacher, class, term, year, and the rest. So here you can choose your font of your choice. The font of your choice which you want, so that the thing should look good. Should look good. I think area was good. Comic. Let's use this one. It's a bit so that our design look good. Area was fine. Cambria was fine. Okay. Okay. So this one should be looking like that. You can even bold if you want. And this one you can make them even bold. Okay. So here initials you can put, remarks table you can put here based on how you feel like you want. Okay. So this is what we need exactly. So here on subjects, if I put something like English language, I put science, I put social studies, I put mathematics, I put religious education, religious edu, any subject of your choice. You can put in subject of your choice. So I can put computer. Yes, the subject of your choice. Initials, you can put initials. This one could be R, M, E, M, maybe B, F, maybe G, H, E, M, E, D. So these ones also, I make them align a little bit like there. Initials. So here you can set the remarks also. Let's use this. Don't your choice. You can even easily change anytime you feel like you want. You can easily change anytime you feel like you want. Okay. You can change them anytime you feel like you want. Okay. You can change them anytime you feel like you want. You can add as many as you want from 0 up to the last part. Okay. Okay. So this is how we set that. In fact, let me get this. I put it inside here. I put it inside here. Match information table. Information table. Make it a little bit bold. Click it a bit down. The information table. Then the school name should come down here. So I'll just hide this. So the school name could come down here. Okay, school name could come down here. Look for better font. You look for better font. Even the color should also good. Okay. So this is as good as that. General information. This is how we set that. So just in case you have any other question, you can ask. The rest we shall be looking at them step by step. If you have any question, please you ask. you have not understood, please you ask again. I have no problem with that, because through your identification, through your all identification I have seen, we can make things look better and much better. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe for me.